Hello friends, today again you are with me for learning the Catia. So in this class, this is our 7th class. In this class we'll learn about the spline, types of spline, ellipse, parabolas, hyperbolas. Then these are our operational commands: corner, chamfer, trim, rotate, and this translate, mirror, rotate, okay, and offset also. This also we'll learn in this class. So first we will start from spline. Take a spline. This is like a rope. Okay, in this you can drag this point also. Okay, one more spline. Okay, second command is close the spline, connect. Choose it, connect the points, automatically it will connect. See, okay, so this is all about connection of splines. So this is over. Now second point is, first I have to delete this. Second point is ellipse. In ellipse, simple method, we can drag and we can fix the height and width also. See, first I fix the length, then I'm fixing the depth. Okay, again first length, then width. Okay, delete it. Then second point is parabola. See, this is the parabola condition. This is very big. How much you want, up to that extent you can increase. Okay, again first fix the parabola, then how much you want, fix it. Okay, then same for hyperbola. See, up to this line I will extend, then from this side. Okay, again okay, then this is conic. For conic, please select first point, then select second point. See, okay, so this is all about spline and normal spline, then connection spline, then what we have learned, ellipse, parabolas and cones. Okay, now we learn about corner. Okay, so I have to delete it first. we'll make one rectangle. Okay, so now this is the corner command. Select one line, two line, see this. And when you open the corner command, if you see in this corner, see, when I will select this one, see 1 2 3 4 5 types are corner commands are there. Okay, so we have selected this one, trim all elements, like this area and this area has been eliminated. Okay, but in this case one line will not trim, see. Okay, so like this in this command no trim will be there, but circle will come. In this standard lines trim will be there. In this, that lines will be hide like constructions. Okay, that I will show. First, second, see, these lines will be constructed lines. Okay, then this is chamfer. In chamfer also same thing, and same types of chamfers are there. Okay, with trim, without trim, standard lines, constructed lines. Okay, with no trim, select this line, chamfer will be there. Okay, okay, now this is trim. For trim I will make some profiles for teaching you. Okay, then we select trim. See, this is quick trim. Again we have to select again and again. See, okay, this is trim. This type of trim can be increase or decrease also with the extension of the line. Suppose we have to make like this. Okay, so this can increase or decrease. This rubber type, this can cut, sorry. Okay, see, this has been cutted. So this type of lines are there, trim, cutting. Okay, then we'll learn the rotate, this rotate command. Okay, in rotate also 1 2 3 4 5 6 types are there, that we will learn. Okay, first I need to remove all this. Okay, I'll make a small geometry. Okay, I'll make axis also. See, now we learn first mirror command. Okay, in mirror command, select first sorry see, we have selected the part, then mirror, see. Okay, so this is center axis, this is sorry axis. So on the basis of axis, this will be mirrored. Okay, this axis is tilted, that's why it is coming like this. Okay. And again we will take, and we will take this axis. Okay, see, this will be same part but on this side. Okay, then we will learn symmetry also. This is also same thing. See, this part can be symmetry on this area. Okay. Then we will learn translate. This translate is very important thing and very useful also. See, for translate, if you select one part, okay, then it will ask these options: duplicate mode, keep internal constraints, keep external constraints. So we can copy this type of part or same sketch, like how many instances, how many copies. Okay, like we will put 2 or 3. Okay, then we will drag from this point or any point you want. See, so this is very important. So if we have written 3 instances, then it will come 3 instances, and if I will write only 1, then only 1 will be there. Okay, we'll do it again. Select the command, select the part, then here we will make this time only 1. Okay, duplicate mode, we'll select this corner. See, okay, now we will learn rotate. Okay, so for rotate, first I need to make one circle to better understand. I have made one circle. Okay, then I have selected which part I have to make rotate. Okay, first I have to make that one also. Like suppose one cone is there. Okay, and I have to rotate. So this cone I have selected. Okay, and which axis, on which axis I have to rotate, that I have to select. Okay, that also selected. Okay, and this is also like instances. Okay, see here instances I have given 2 numbers. Okay, so 2 cones will be copied more. Okay, and which point? See, on this point. Understand? If I'll write here 5, then more numbers will come. Okay, so I'll make this. Okay, so this is very important command and very useful also. After that we'll learn scale. Scale means if you select duplicate, then duplicate one part will be there extra, same like as it is. Okay, we will do it. Select the geometry. Okay, then which point? See, so we can enhance, we can by dragging this part. Okay, because this is duplicate, so one more part will come. If duplicate is not there, then no part will be there, only the current what you have done, that only will be there. Okay, again select, delete. Okay, then we will offset. Okay, for this I need to make one square. Select the offset. See the same rectangle. So offset outside also we can do, or inside also we can do. See. Okay. So this is all about the splines, connection splines. Then we have learned corners, then we have learned chamfers, then we have learned trims, then we have learned mirror, rotation, then translate, then translate, rotation, then scale, then offset. Okay, that we have learned in this class. And one more okay, in next class we will complete. Okay, so in next class we will start from the constraints. Okay, constraints and that auto constraints and all that. Okay, so thank you very much. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to keep continue with my learning classes. Okay, so you'll get the notification automatically. Thank you very much. Please don't forget the subscribe. Please do it.